Hi everyone. Today I am welcoming you in a little corner of my office to quickly present to you what is happening and what we are about to organise on the 8th of September. Probably some of you have already seen and you already know about Corby Can, which is, I'm originally from Romania. Oops, sorry. I'm originally from Romania, so I absolutely adore and I am a great believer in promoting my traditions and culture. And living and working in UK, it's absolutely amazing to get together and share our traditions with everyone else. So short and sweet, Sunday 8th of September at Coronation Park, NN171SY, Coronation Park, Corby. Please get together. We have a visit from the new mayor and the vice mayor and different local authorities and the local new MP. We are very, very happy and privileged to have them, and I would absolutely love, with over 30 stalls that we've managed to get together and the DJ and the artists that are performing, we want to show the people around us how much we care for our traditions and culture. We want to promote our roots. We want to be proud of where we are. And for everybody that knows me, this is what I'm doing. I'm not doing this just for the sake of doing it. I've got, I do have a life and a family and everything else. This is a side thing that I do. This is a hobby that I absolutely love to do, and the community around us is welcoming us to do this kind of thing. So 8th of September, Coronation Park. Hope to see you all there.